it's me, Valentine's Toy World, and today I'm finally going to do a video about Play-doh. And I haven't played with Play-doh in a long time. So this is fun for me. I got a nice bar knife and fork to do all the designs. I have a big plate here, and my can of purple Play-doh. There we go. Trying to get it out. Loosen up, please. Start to tear up my bits. Oh, here's the Play-Doh that I got. I, of course, got purple because it's my favorite color. Okay, let's tap that. Tapping it out. Now we're going to maybe a bit more that. Now I'm gonna take this little walls of Play-Doh, squash it. Okay, it's backwards, but it's backwards. I don't really care. But it's backwards. Yeah, but this is Play-Doh, kind of. Okay. One thing I don't know how they can fit this much amount of Play-Doh in this tiny tub. I just don't know how. So I'm thinking I'm making a brick first. There's my plate. There you go. There's a square. You know what? Oh wait, I got an idea. I might have enough Play-Doh for this. I'll see how I do it. It's going to take a step or two to make it. I'm running on those. Okay, next is the line clips. Letters. Is it going to do that? I'll fix it out. I'm sorry if it's a bit sloppy. It's going to be fun to watch. I'm probably not going to be able to fit the other two letters, but it'll still be part of my name. I tried to write with my Play-Doh Ballin, but it came out as Bal, and there's it is. Correct it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make a big cookie. I will love it. You know what would be? I know what I'm gonna do instead of writing out my name, I'm gonna find this big thing of Play-Doh as flat as I can get, or as much flatness as I can get. And try and take my butter knife and cut it in Play-Doh and try to make my name. Wait a minute. You could use cover pencil. Okay, yeah. Pretty much good. I think I can. If I just make it small, I can fit it. Okay. First, maybe, it's getting tougher to write in the Play-Doh. B-A-L-L-E-N. Yeah, that's not really work. I don't know why I tried that. You know what I can make? Okay, I should have kept it flat. Try and flatten it again so I can make this. Sorry, there's going to be a lot of pounding in this video, but gotta smash it. You gotta pound it. And it doesn't have to be straight on the edges because it's a sweet treat. So you're probably not really knowing what it is, but in a sec you will. So I'll tell you then what this is. Okay, it's a humongous cookie. Cookie. Destroy the cookie out of dough. You know what? I'm gonna try and get crafty and try and take some Play-doh. And I'm gonna flatten it out. First we have to roll it into a ball. That's a nice ball. Then we're going to gently flatten it. Then we're going to take our finger and we're going to dent it in the top. Then flatten it kind of. And just like make like that shape. Then it, nice. And then I'm going to sculpt the sides and make a point at the bottom. Yay, I made a heart. I'm going to make tons of these hearts. All sizes. This one's going to be a sculpt for me, beautiful heart. This one didn't come as well. Get more. And my favorite color is Play-doh. My favorite color is Play-doh. My favorite color is purple, so that's why I chose the purple. Roll into the ball. Flatten it out. You know what other trick is? You can take a butter knife and you can cut through the middle of it. Go like that, so it kind of, you don't have to be more sculpting. Sculpt. Next. Now I'm gonna, you know what? It's a heart, purple pancake heart tower. Blah. Oh no, you squished my pancake. You know we could make pancakes. That's what I'm going to do next. Make pancakes. So we're going to need to tear like that much and banging. It's hard to make your Play-doh nice and sweet and flat, but I guess that's good. Roll it into a ball, then flatten it. So for our two pancakes, there's going to be, I think, 2 more. Next pancake. You know what I'm going to do on this pancake? Oh, it's going to be so nice. It's going to be the nicest pancake you're going to see on the pile. See. Squashed it. There's got to be a little design. Wax pancake as a smile. With a thing of butter. Ta-da! So that's my Play-doh. Like and subscribe to Toy World.